Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went into Family Dollar to do my last Unilever coupon, the one that is $2 off of 12, because I only had it only went on 2 of my numbers. So this one right here is my husband's number. So y'all, let's go ahead and tell you all about the deal. Also, today, it was actually started yesterday, Friday, then Saturday today, and then tomorrow Sunday. There is additional 50% off of clearance, and then also additional 50% off of brown dot and purple dot, okay? And I don't think it's no other dots, but just go into your Dollar General and look and see. Hopefully they got the signs up. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so the first thing I did was my Unilever again, okay? I told you that there is a $2 off of 8, okay, on Vaseline. I think it's Caress, and I forgot who else. Then there is another $2 off of 12 Unilever beauty coupon, okay? So I had to get it, even though it was 5 off of 25, I had to get it over the 25 so all the coupons could come off, okay? So the first thing I did was the Vaseline. The Vaseline is $3.50. I had $1 digital and $2 paper coupons, okay? Then I had a Suave, and also Suave. I'm trying to think. No, I don't think the Vaseline is on the Unilever. I don't think it is, but it might be because it did come off of my coupon. I can't remember, okay? But I'm going to tell you, on the Suave, it is $2. I had $1 off manufacturer coupon that came off. Then I had, let me move this out of the way so I can tell y'all, the Caress bars, okay? There is manufacturer coupon that I think it was in the PNG. If not, then go on coupontime.com and type in Caress bars and it'll come up. These are the 3 count, but I think it's on the 6, but it is attaching to the 3, okay? So my $2 did come off of my 2 off of 8, and also my 3 off of 12, and then also my 5 off of 15 came off, okay? So the next thing is the Gain. The Gain, these are $2, and I had my last 2 coupons was manufacturer coupons, but you can go on coupontime.com and type in Gain, and it's the one that has the 2 Gain flings on there that are $2, so that attached to those, okay? So I got these free. These 2 are free. The next thing is the Caress. The Caress 2-pack is $3. Let me show y'all. It's $3, okay? That's the ounce, and it's 2 of them. There's a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, so I got that for $1. Then the Snuggle. The Snuggle products and all is $4, but also you can get it 2 for $8. I had a digital coupon that did attach. It is $3, making this just $1, okay? Then I had clearance. So I had to I put something in to my transaction to eat up all of the overage. So this CoverGirl is $2, and let's see, CoverGirl is, $2.02. So it ate up this overage that had on here, and it was a little bit. It was $2.02. I had a $3 off, I think it was manufacturer coupon, no, digital coupon that only made this $1.02. Okay, so that's for that. And then y'all, this right here is $15. Okay, this Serpa, and it looks so warm. So it's originally $15, but it is already off 25%. I think it's 25% off of all the brown dots. that was in the store, and then additional 50% off, making this Chere'er just $5.62. That is it, $5.62 in the store. So I put that in there to actually eat up everything, right? So all my coupons could come off. So y'all, look, my subtotal, let me tell you what my subtotal is. $5.64, and that is for that's only paying for this mainly. $5.64, and everybody's tax is different, so let me show you my receipt. There's the gains. There's the store discounts. You see all three of them? The Vaselines. And there's the Crest, the Suave, the Snuggle, and then there's the Throw Rug, okay? The Chere'er. Then there's my subtotal, $5.64. Everybody's taxes is different. And look how much I saved. Total savings, $31. And then I got another 5 off of 25 for next Saturday. All right? So this right here, y'all, is a good deal. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Londa's channel.